Nerd alert! Nerd alert! This just in. Sammi's Workshops now has a functional 3D printer. That is correct, ladies and gentlemen. Sammi's Workshops now has a functional Tevo Tarantula 3D printer. Stand by for more information and the B-roll video. Before we get to today's project, let's take a moment to talk about workshop safety. Be sure to read, understand, and follow all of the safety rules that come with both your hand and power tools. Knowing how to properly operate your tools and following these safety rules can significantly reduce the risk of damage and/or personal injury. And of course, there are no more important safety rules than to avoid loose clothing, long sleeves, and to wear safety glasses, hearing and respiratory protection as needed. Now let's get to today's project. Before we get to today's video, be sure and hit the like, subscribe, and click on the alert bell to get notified of new videos as they're being uploaded. New videos are uploaded every week on Wednesday, with some others in between as time and projects allow. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram, or support the channel on Patreon. Have a website as well for patterns and plans that are available, and you also will find links to the tools and supplies I use if you want to get those same items in the comments below. Now let's get to today's project. Hello YouTube, my name is Sammi and welcome back to Sammi's Workshops. Today I have a project building a 3D printer to share. I did a lot of research in choosing a 3D printer kit. I knew I was going to need to have something low cost to fit my budget, and of course that meant a kit. I have built a few things in the past, and so wiring, soldering, electronic components, and assembling things didn't really scare me all that much, so a kit was just fine. After looking around at many videos on YouTube and many ads and reviews, I liked the many advantages of the Tevo Tarantula, and the shortcomings I found it has were nearly all fixable with modifications and careful construction, so I ordered one up. There have been many unboxing videos as well as build videos on the Tevo Tarantula, so I'm not going to show a huge bit of that, but let's show you what I've got here anyway. Mine did come very nicely packaged. However, there was not an interior box. That's okay. Still, it was very well packaged. There was no damage that I could find in it either. I bought a little bit of filament beyond what it came with, so yep, I do have several projects in mind for it. In doing my research here on YouTube and the internet, I also developed a shopping list of the supplies I'll need to safely build and modify my Tevo Tarantula, as well as things I wanted to print from, mostly from Thingiverse. I'll put links to all of those things in the notes below. I'll also include links to several fellow YouTubers whose videos have helped immensely. Since, as I said before, many of them have excellent build videos on the assembly of this printer, I'm just going to show a time-lapse of my build. There are several excellent real-time build videos, and I will put links to those as well. My build went pretty uneventfully, although the instructions, as expected, kind of pooped out midway. They look really great, but they really do need to be overhauled. Just past the midway point, they were off by several steps. Thanks to the complete build video I found here on YouTube, which is a bit long at 1 hour and 35 minutes. However, it is very complete and very well detailed. That link will indeed be in the comments below. This seems like a good place to take a break. More of the build in part 2 coming up soon. Then we'll start making the modifications to the printer to make it even better. And yes, I did a lot of research on those too. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like, subscribe, and click on the alert bell to get notified of new videos being uploaded. New videos should be posted every week on Wednesday, with some others in between as time and projects allow. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. There's a website as well for patterns I digitize and plans I have to download. Links to those will be in the comments down below. I'll also put some links to the tools and supplies I use, so if you want to get the same items I did, you can find them. Thanks again for stopping by. Do come again soon. Until next time, see ya.